Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make my version of Jedi Padawan Anakin Skywalker, because I don't have the Episode 2 minifigure. Let's begin! To start us off, the legs and the arms come from this Clone Wars Anakin minifigure. The head and the torso came from this Episode 3 Anakin minifigure. Finally, the hands and the hair came from a Newt Scamander minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Forget about the handcuffs, they're not important. But if you need a reference photo, feel free to pause here. Overall, I'm relatively happy with this custom, though something I must admit is that it's not as good with the headset on. I wish I had a piece without a headset, because then the head would be perfect. If you have any ideas for any future minifigures that I could make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you enjoyed this video, maybe you could like it, and if you really enjoyed this video, maybe you could subscribe to the channel if you are not already. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, feel free to click on the playlist or maybe give my Galactic Marine video a visit.